Hi guys, this is Neetu signing in as the Happy Tour. Okay, so I'm going to share my journey of learning English. Now, it started like 14 years back. I went for a job interview in which I was rejected because I wasn't able to speak fluently. I couldn't find the right words to express myself, so I was rejected. And then after a few months, I gave an interview and I was selected for the same position. Now, what did I do in those 3 months to be able to improve my English is what I'm going to be discussing with you guys. It was difficult. You know, the moment you get rejected, you feel really bad, and I felt that too. I think it's really normal to feel bad. I was upset and depressed for many days, and then my mom told me not to give up. Then I told myself that, okay, let me practice, let me try, let me make an effort, and I will improve it. If this is something that's stopping me from getting a job, I will try to improve. And trust me, I'm not against any language. I love my mother tongue, which is Hindi, and a little bit of Punjabi. However, I feel that if English was something that was stopping me from getting a good job, then I try to improve. And believe me, I did not learn to clear just an exam or an interview. I learned it for myself because I did not want to feel underconfident. So then what did I do? I actually used to speak a lot in front of the mirror. That's what I really did. Now, one major problem, with learning English, or why we make a lot of errors, is because we don't think in English. Now, you must have heard this from many people that you need to think in English. But the question is, how do you think in English? It's not that you suddenly wake up and you start thinking in English. However, why it's important is because if you are thinking in your mother tongue, and when you try to translate those words, then it's very difficult to speak fluently because you can't find the right words. But if you think in English, then it's very easy for you to express yourself fluently. So for that, I think you need to have at least basic knowledge of some grammar rules. You need to know a bit of pronunciation too. Comprehension, fluency, all these 4 things, they go hand in hand. It cannot be that you're just focusing on grammar rules, because you probably already know a few grammar rules because of which you're able to understand people. However, if you lack practice of speaking in English, that's what you actually need to work on. That's what I did. So I first refreshed my grammar knowledge, and then I used to practice simultaneously in front of the mirror, or sometimes, I would pause movie characters and talk to them in English. I spoke as much as possible and I thought in English. Also, I was very determined. To be able to learn any language, you need to be very determined. One cannot blame other people that, okay, this person doesn't have the time to teach me. I refreshed all my grammar rules by myself. I spoke. I used to speak incorrectly. It's not that I was perfect, but then eventually I, achieved perfection. And when I did, I was selected as a communication trainer within the same organization, which made me really happy. So yes, I'm sure if I could do it, all of y'all can do it. All you need to do is just practice and be determined. And I'm going to make more videos on spoken English and tell you some techniques. We'll refresh grammar rules. We'll also learn about pronunciation, because that's equally important to sound good. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Video to show babe apunak bahut dhanyobad. Video to jodi ভাল লাগিছে তেনেহলে নিশ্চয় ভিডিওটোত এটা লাইক দিব আৰু যিমান পাৰে ভিডিওটো বন্ধু বান্ধৱীৰ লগত শেয়াৰ কৰক। আপুনিও শিকক আৰু বন্ধু বান্ধৱীক শিকিবলৈ সহযোগিতা কৰক। আৰু যদি চেনেলটোত আপুনি নতুন আহিছে তেনেহলে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিয়ক আৰু লগতে থকা বেল আইকনটো দবাই দিয়ক। আৰু যদি আপুনি অলৰেডি চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি থৈছে তেনেহলে আপোনাক বহুত ধন্যবাদ।